Good morning students. Once again, welcome back to our another class of EVS. Today we are going to learn chapter 4. The name of the chapter is We Need Shelter. We already learned chapter 3. We need clothes to wear. Now, today we are going to learn about we need shelter, about our house. A house protects us from heat, cold, wind and wild animals. This we have to learn today. Here you can see the protection from cold, protection from heat, protection from rain, protection from wind. The home protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind, also from wild animals. You can see here different images and different topics. Okay, home means our house protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and wild animals. And we feel safe in our house. When we sit in our house, we feel we are safe at home. Long ago, people lived in caves. You can see here the man is standing in front of the caves. Long ago, there were no house to live. They were living in the caves. Later, they built houses. After that, they learned to build their houses. They used mud, straw, stones and stones to build their houses. There are two types of houses, kacha house and pakka houses. You can see here the both types of houses, kacha house and pakka house. Here you can see the different materials used to build a house. There are different materials are using to build houses. Okay, bricks, wood, cement, steel and glass. Okay, there are different materials are using to build a house. Okay, we already learned there are two types of houses. First one is hut. Okay, first house is hut. Hut is a house you can see in villages only. Okay, in villages some houses are made of mud and straw. Such houses are called kacha house. Kacha house means you can see here hut house only. Okay. Now bungalow means that is a pakka houses. We already learned about kacha houses. Now we are going to learn about pakka houses. There are different types of pakka houses. In towns and cities, most houses are made of bricks and cement. Such houses are called pakka houses. Pakka houses are stronger than kacha houses. Okay, here you can see the image of a bungalow. Okay, we are going to learn about bungalow. Bungalows are mostly found in towns and cities only. They are big houses and they have many rooms. Some bungalows have a garden. Okay, these are the points on topic bungalow. Now, next one is apartments. Okay, multi-storied buildings are mostly found in big cities. Okay, you can see the apartments in big cities only. Some multi-storied buildings have many houses. Okay, here in apartments you can see there are different houses are staying there. These houses are called flats or apartments. Means here there are different houses are staying. That is why it is called flats or apartments. They are built one on top of another. Okay. Now next we are going to learn about the stilt house. Stilt houses are found in places where it rains heavily. These houses are built on stilts made of wood or bamboo. Stilt houses are built a little above the ground. They have sloping roofs. Where it heavy rains, there only their people are making stilt house. Here you can see already told about the stilt house. They have a sloping roofs. House with the sloping roofs. You can see here sloping roofs means after the rain the water will not get there. That will go from down. Okay, that water will not remain on the roof. Okay, you can see here how the people are making the sloping roof. After that, the pakka house is houseboat. Okay, houseboats are houses on boats. Thus, they are called floating houses. Okay, tourists often live in them. Mostly, tourists are living in the houseboat only. Next one is igloo. Okay, igloo house. Igloos are houses made of blocks of snow and ice. They are found in places that are covered with the snow all through the year. Okay, you can see where the igloos are houses made of blocks of snow and ice. Next one is tents. Tents are made of canvas or plastic. They are used to when people camp in the open area. They can be folded and easily carried anywhere. That is why they are making tents in open area only. And here you can see caravan. That house caravans are houses on the wheels. They can be driven from one place to another. That is why the house is built on wheels only. That is why they can easily driven from one place to another. Here we should remember that we must keep our house clean. Always you have to remember that we have to keep our house neat and clean. Okay. Here the short summaries are given. A house protects us from heat, cold, wind and wild animals. Kacha houses are made of mud and straw. Pakka houses are stronger houses made of bricks and cement. Different materials are used to make different types of houses. People live in different types of houses. Huts, bungalows, flats, stilt houses, houseboats, igloos, tents and caravans. These are the summary of this chapter. I hope that all you understood very well. This summary you have to learn. All the contents of this chapter is included here. Okay, now study well. Your exam is coming and prepare well for the coming exam. Start study today onwards. Okay, you have to see the syllabus and start study. Okay, now study well, prepare for coming exam, enjoy your day and have a nice day. Thank you.